5 health benefits of oregano. Oregano is a wonderful herb. Oregano contains vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as fiber, folate, iron, magnesium, vitamin B6, calcium, and potassium. Additionally, oregano, which is sometimes called wild marjoram in Europe, contains potent phytochemicals that provide potential health benefits. Health benefits of oregano include: Number 1. Antibacterial activity. On a more basic immune system note, oregano also has clear antibacterial properties, which is again due to the presence of thymol and carvacrol. These important organic compounds can defend the body against a wide range of bacteria that can affect the skin, the gut, and other parts of the body. Oregano is also a slightly stimulating agent, which can increase the production of white blood cells and speed up the metabolism, resulting in the faster recovery of common illnesses. Number 2. Aids in digestion. Oregano is packed with fiber, so despite its small size, it can have a major impact on your digestive system. Fiber is an essential element of a healthy digestive system, as it can increase the bulk of your stool and stimulate peristaltic motion, which moves food through the digestive tract and excretes it efficiently. Number 3. Improves heart health. Oregano is a natural form of omega-3 fatty acids, the beneficial type of cholesterol that improves your heart health. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids help rebalance your cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the cardiovascular system, thereby helping to prevent atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Number 4. Detoxifies the body. The nutrient-rich oregano, with a high content of manganese, calcium, iron, vitamin K, fiber, and a wide range of other organic compounds, makes it an ideal herb for detoxifying the body. Research has shown that oregano can help liver function and speed up the process of toxin elimination. Number 5. Improves bone health. As we get older, our bones begin to weaken and break down, so ensuring that we get enough vitamins and minerals in our early years is important. Calcium, iron, and manganese are some of the most crucial minerals for bone health, and oregano has significant amounts of all of them, making it great for people who want to protect themselves against osteoporosis later in life. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, share this, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit the bell to get notification of our latest content.